5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
In this video, I'm going to talk about the current technology in space, both in development and currently active. People's interest in space has been around for a very long time, but what sparked the start of a new space era was of course the Apollo 11 mission, whose primary objective was to perform a crewed lunar landing and return to Earth. During the 8 years it took to build, over 400,000 people worked on the project. This inspired billions of people around the globe, and there have been countless technological advancements since. The next mission I would like to talk about is the SpaceX project that was launched earlier this year on the 6th of February. This project was to create a high-capacity reusable rocket comprised of 2 Falcon 9 first-stage boosters attached to a core booster. Each of the 3 rockets separated after reaching the edge of the atmosphere and attempted to re-enter and land separately. 21 Falcon 9 modules had successfully landed prior to this project. The rocket itself is 230 feet from base to tip, which is the same as 70 meters. The James Webb Telescope currently has over 1,200 skilled scientists, engineers and technicians from 14 countries building it. Assembly and testing is occurring at NASA in Goddard. The Webb Telescope is an international collaboration by NASA, the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency. The project will be a large infrared telescope with a 6.5 meter primary mirror. The telescope will be launched on an Ariane 5 rocket from the French Guiana in spring 2019. Webb will be the main observatory of the next decade, serving thousands of astronomers worldwide. In 2010, the Cassini-Huygens began a 7-year mission to observe Saturn and Titan. In April 2017, operators placed Cassini on an impact course with Saturn. 22 orbits taking 5 months put the instrument between the planet and its rings. This final phase of the mission brought unparalleled observations of the planet and its rings from closer than ever before. The collision occurred on the 15th of September 2017. Its key discoveries were indications of hydrothermal activity within Enceladus and liquid methane seas on Titan. Throughout the mission, 260 scientists from 17 countries managed to gain a better understanding of Saturn, its rings, moons, and magnetosphere. Origami has many uses in space, such as the heat dissipation radiators, solar panels, and even to block light from the sun, such as the star shade concept. With 3 areas to cover, there are lots of scientists working on this, although the original idea was brought to NASA by university student Robert Salazar. His mission objective is to illuminate permanently shaded regions of the moon so as to illuminate and power robotic explorers in regions of interest. Starshade is an immense folding iris that could block light from distant stars. It would unfold to a diameter of 26 meters. This will dampen the brightness of a star's light and allow a space telescope to detect orbiting exoplanets further away than ever before. One future project being considered for possible use with the Starshade is the Wide Field Infrared Survey Telescope, which will employ a special coronagraph to photograph larger exoplanets around other stars. I've been Tom Webb, thank you very much for watching.